Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be back to this school. If you have been watching my videos, you already know this is a school of hygiene in Bale, eastern part of Uganda. So we did another kitchen garden around the school. So I'm going to show you around. We changed the fashion, the design, and everything looks really good. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the different things that we have done for this school. So you are welcome. If you are watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia. Click subscribe, like the video. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, this is a beautiful kitchen garden. We planted collards, we have spinach, we have eggplant, we have tomatoes, we have very beautiful things, and also spring onions. So in the background you see we also tried to buy the pots and the plants in there. We just transplanted them, they are not yet mature. So it's been like 3 weeks ever since we transplanted, and as you can see our veggies are almost ready. So very soon they are going to be eating their own fresh and beautiful vegetables. Like this video, share it with your friends. So as usual, we had a continuation of this garden in the backyard. As you can see, that is before the administration, and we used these sack gardens, the car tires, the buckets we had planted in these very things in the previous season, and now we planted again, and still the things are looking very beautiful. So you know, these things, the sack gardens are really good. They are somehow durable and can plant at least 2 seasons, so you save some money. So we can beautify your compound and you eat while you have beautiful veggies around your home. So every person needs to have a kitchen garden around their homes, because it gives you an opportunity to have very fresh and clean vegetables around your home, and you can eat safe food, because most of these vegetables grown home are grown organically and they are not contaminated with the chemicals and mishandling. So you just have an opportunity to pick things right from the garden to your kitchen. You know, so if you can't do this for yourself, we can do it for you. My number is in the description. Go tap it and then we shall get this beautiful garden for you. You know, so every person can have a kitchen garden around your home. This kitchen garden, as you see it right there, it has a lot of vegetables, varieties. You know, so you can eat this and that and you enjoy your life. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and you know, let's grow together. And growing these vegetables is very easy. I've shared videos from zero, like from the day we started filling these sacks with soil, the day we transplanted, everything I have shared. You need to know how to make this garden. Just go on this channel, check how to make a beautiful kitchen garden. You're going to see the video that is going to guide you on how you're going to plant this, so that you can have it also at your home. You can use anything that is reusable, jerry cans, car tires, you can use those wooden boxes, you can use anything that is of low value in your store. In the bucket, you can transform it and use it in your compound to make these beautiful things. Thank you for watching. I believe you found something helpful. If that is so, consider subscribing, share this knowledge with your colleagues, and let's together grow these beautiful vegetables.